Lesson 2 on precision and accuracy, a quick review of how to combine various items if you were going to measure them each individually and then put them together. So airlines set limits on the weight of luggage that passengers can bring on board. The limit for a carry-on bag is 10 kilograms. Mark packed some items into his backpack and weighed it on a bathroom scale, which measures to a level of precision of 0.1 kilograms. That means the uncertainty is 0.05 kilograms. It weighs 3.5 kilograms. Can he safely add all the remaining items below, bearing in mind the uncertainty? So, if his backpack is 3.5 kilograms plus or minus 0.05, and then we have his computer plus or minus 0.05, plus his textbook plus his water bottle plus his novel Take a minute to add those together and find out how much the backpack would weigh. So Mark's backpack would weigh 9.9 kilograms plus or minus 0.25 kilograms. That means that if he was a little light on his measurements, it would be 9.65 kilograms. So you would subtract 9.9, subtract 0.25 kilograms. Okay, so it would be 9.65. But if you added the 0.25 kilograms, you now would have 9.9 plus 0.25, which would give you 10.15. So on the high side, it would be 10.15, which actually would be over the required limit. Okay? So how do you reduce the total uncertainty? Well, if we put everything into the backpack first and then measured it once, then you would only have one level of uncertainty. So if you put everything in the backpack first, then your weight would be 9.9 kilograms, and you would be plus or minus just the one level of uncertainty because you only measured once, and the uncertainty would be 0.05 kilograms. The most your backpack would weigh would be 9.95 kilograms and would be fine for their limit of the airline. Okay, you're going to practice your skills. So in your workbook, page 89 to page 91, there's listed 4 extra questions here. Those are additional questions. They're a little more challenging than the ones in the textbook. More typical questions that would be level 3 or level 4 type questions. They are attached to the file, so you would just find them here. So carry out the calculations each person is performing and give the correct uncertainty. So there's space to do that question. Question 5 talks about measurement and uncertainty for various things from antibiotics to speed, kilometers per hour. Okay. Postal workers combining packages and different weights in loads. And then the answers are attached at the end.